If you're seeing LibreOffice Error 523 in Calc, don't worry. This usually means your spreadsheet has a calculation procedure that does not converge. In other words, LibreOffice is trying to solve a formula, but it can't find a stable result with the current settings. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix LibreOffice Error 523 by increasing the iteration limits, so your circular formulas can calculate properly. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice Calc and make sure the file with the error is active. Error 523 usually appears when you have formulas that refer back to themselves, either directly or indirectly. This is common in financial spreadsheets, engineering models, forecast sheets, and other advanced calculations where iterative references are intentional. If that sounds like your file, then the fix is usually inside LibreOffice's calculation settings. Now go up to the top menu and click Tools, then choose Options. If you're on a Mac, you may need to go to LibreOffice, then Preferences instead. Once the Options window opens, look at the left-hand panel and expand LibreOffice Calc. Under that section, click Calculate. This is where the iteration settings are stored. On this screen, you'll see an option called Iterative References. If it is not already checked, enable it. This tells LibreOffice that you wanted it to allow circular formulas and calculate them iteratively instead of stopping with an error right away. After that, look for the steps limit. This controls how many calculation attempts LibreOffice will make before giving up. If your sheet needs more room to settle on a final answer, increase this value slightly. You do not want to set it too high unless you really need to, but giving it more steps often solves the problem. Next, find the minimum change setting. This value controls how precise the result must be before LibreOffice decides the calculation has converged. If the number is too strict, the program may never accept the result and keep throwing error 523. So, slightly increase the minimum change value to relax the precision requirement. This can help LibreOffice finish the calculation successfully. Once you've adjusted those settings, click OK to save the changes. LibreOffice will now use the new iteration limits for your spreadsheet calculations. Go back to your sheet and check the formula again. In many cases, the error will disappear and your circular references will calculate correctly. If it still doesn't work, double-check that the formula itself is intentional and that there isn't a broken reference or typo causing the problem. Sometimes error 523 is not just about settings. It can also happen if the formula logic needs to be corrected. But if your spreadsheet is designed to use iterative calculation, these settings are the main fix. So to recap, open Tools, go to Options, expand LibreOffice Calc, click Calculate, enable iterative references, increase the steps limit, adjust the minimum change value, and then click OK. That is the fastest way to fix LibreOffice Error 523 in Calc. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is dealing with the same spreadsheet issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.